I'm going to show you how to make trees for your layout or your diorama. The things you need to do this, first of all, you need to start out with this. This is red sedum. It grows to be about 18 inches high. It's an ornamental plant. It gets translucent reddish purple flowers in the fall. If you harvest it, always harvest it after you have a frost, or you'll have an infestation of gnats at your home. The other things you need is plastic gloves, your flocking, and the cheapest hairspray you can get, super hold. And this is craft wire sold at any craft store like AC Moore or everything. That's all you need. Now when you do your trees, you could just do them like this, but they look like umbrellas. You notice they're all on the same level. So what I do is I take these off, lower them down. That makes it look more like a tree. And you use a piece of pre-cut wire and go around. And it's a good idea to cut the ends out of the wire sticking out, or you'll be jagging yourself. You cut these stems off. And for realism in your layout, you can cut these into log lengths and lay them around like outside a house, you know, like they're getting ready for winter. Next thing you do, now get your glove on or you'll have green hands. Spray your tree heavily with this. Sprinkle this on. There's many different shades of green, and you can get yellow and red too. Then you spray it again. They'll hold up for years. And that's all to it as far as doing that. I'll show you another one here, flocking. But also make your trees different heights, because if you look in the woods, none of the trees are the same height, unless they were planted.
Don't try to scratch your nose while you're working that stuff.
Your best thing you can do is, if you can find it, get unscented. If you've got allergies, this is bad on them. I'll make a couple more here to show you. I cut the stems off these just to fit them in a box easier.
What kind of plant's that? Sedum. That's sedum.
Red sedum.
So keep on forgetting that.
If you're low in the Altoona area locally, if you go to the A Street Bridge where the garden is, there are several plants of that there. You'll see them in the fall and you'll get an idea what it looks like.
Okay.
Most people don't know what it is.
Yeah, I wouldn't know.
Don't be stingy with the hairspray, because that keeps the flocking. Being that I'm cheap, what I do here, you're going to have this flocking in here that's going to get sprayed. Scrape it off, and I have an old blender here. You put it in and you can recycle it, because this is $10 a bottle. It isn't cheap.
Wow, great.
And that's how to make trees for your layout or your diorama.